All right, next problem. Next problem is number 46. Okay, and they give us, here they're going to give us situation, and we got to find the ellipse. Now, honestly, this one, it starts to get a little bit trickier because our ellipse moves off of the, it's no longer going to be centered at the origin. Okay, so let's just see what I mean. So we have vertices at 0, 10 and 0, -2, and a focus at 0, 7. So we're going to find the equation of the ellipse. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw what we can. Okay, now we're going to draw a picture. Our picture doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to tell us enough information so that we can see what's going on. Let me move this up a little bit. Make this whole thing a little bit bigger. Okay, so we need our vertices at 0, 10 and 0, -2. So that means if I go down, let's say this is 0, -2. This is 0, 10. So we have a vertices down here and up here. Now, how am I going to find the center? Well, one thing is that the center should be halfway between the vertices, right? Okay, so if I do that, then it's going to be at 0, 4. Okay, just all I'm doing is 0 for the x, 10 minus 2 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So the way I've drawn it, that's going to put my center here. Now, I have a focus at 7. So what's that distance from the center to the focus? That's 3, isn't it? Right? That's really what C is. C is the distance from the center to the focus. Okay? So now, this distance, that's 6. That's our A. So now we have to find the B. Okay? So C, sorry. A squared equals B squared plus C squared. We know A is 6, so we get 36 equals B squared plus C is 3, so C squared is 9. So B is plus or minus square root of 27. So now the only thing left to do is worry about the center. So we had the center. We already wrote what it was somewhere here. Okay, so we're going to have, and we're just going to subtract off that point, just like with a circle, right? Remember with a circle, how it was sort of the opposite of what you thought? Exactly. So it's going to be x squared over b, so 27, okay, because b is telling us what's going on left, right, plus y minus 4 squared over a is 6, so 36 equals 1. Okay, and we could draw this too. We don't have to because it's not asking us to, but we could draw it. 27 square roots, let me figure that out, 5.2 roughly. let's say roughly here. Oh, roughly here. Roughly here. Really bad ellipse. Because my drawing stinks. Okay. All right. Okay, next problem, 66. Okay, 66, they actually give us a picture. Okay, so in a 66, they give us a picture and they say, find the equation of the ellipse. Okay, so have an ellipse here. We have a vertex over here at -3, 0. Okay, not really a vertex, it's actually just a point. And the reason it's not a vertex is because I have the focus up here at 0, 2. Okay, and that's really all they give us. Then they give us a picture or a drawing that goes through, but they don't even tell us what this point is up here. Okay, something like that. Oh, let me make that clearly 0 or -3, 0. Okay, but we can find it out. Okay, so we know it's going to be y² over a² plus x² over b² equals 1. We know that b is 3. Okay, and we also know that c is 2. So a² equals 9 plus 2², which is going to be 13. So a is the square root of 13. Okay, so we get y² over 13 plus x² over 9 equals 1. Okay, all right, I'll see you all in one more video. That's going to be, I think, an applied problem. All right.